If you're looking to buy a home out here in Charlottesville, you're going to want to take a look at these stats. Here we go. Charlottesville, 1.4 months of inventory. Median days on market is 37. So sellers out there, they've noticed, and trust me, sellers have noticed that right now the days on market has gone up. We're now in the fall-winter season. So historically, homes stay on the market longer as buyers are not quickly moving in. Now, Charlottesville, January comes, February comes, that's when the buyers start to come out, all right? Crozet, it was 1.5 months last week. It's 1.4 now, but days on market has gone up to 46. And then we're selling a little under the asking price right now. Only 6 homes sold last week out in Crozet. Now, east of Charlottesville, you have Zion Crossroads. Now, in that area, you're looking at a little bit about 2.3 months of inventory, but their days on market is rather high and no home sold last week. Now, why is the days on market is up? There's a lot of new construction homes there, so a lot of people are not buying the resale homes. They're just buying new construction, so they're waiting for those homes to be finished and completed. So there's not as many buyers for those resales, and that's why there is more days on market. And it's kind of the same for Keswick. If you look at Keswick, they have 6.25 months of inventory. It was 9 last week. And their days on market is 101. It's been like that for, I want to say 3-4 months. It's been rather high days on market. The price points out in Keswick, there are a lot of higher priced homes. And so those homes typically stay on the market longer as, those buyers aren't just out there buying up these $1.7 million home. Only one sold last week, and it was 6% over the list price. It was a new construction home. It was listed at 1.6. They sold for 1.7. Now with Ruckersville, this is a market where you usually have some homes under like $400,000 that they go rather quickly. But lately we've seen days on market to be around 60, in between like 40 and 60 in the past few months. But they're selling under some weeks, and some weeks they sell over asking. So there's not really a huge drop off. Last week I believe it was over asking. So there's not a big change. We're not seeing constantly 2% under, 2% under, 2% under every week. So that's good for home sellers as your home is still staying about the same value. The reason is just there's not enough buyers right now as the buyer pool. So let's just finish off. We got Waynesboro. Now their days on market is low. Their average sale price is a lot lower. Their homes sold, they're kind of like Charlottesville. They have a lot of just homes going on and off the market out in Waynesboro. It's actually quite active there. And then lastly, all of Albemarle County. Here we go, 1.65 months of inventory. We're looking around 48 days on market. Your average sold price is $600,000, and then you're still selling a little over the asking price, and 21 homes sold last week. Now, why is this? U.S. mortgage demand hits a 5-week high as buyers sees a dip in rates. That's right. I think it dropped like 30 basis points lower than 3 weeks ago. So there was a 2% jump last week. I believe there was another 2% this week, or this last week. So there's a lot of buyers are like, oh, interest rates came down, so let's get a mortgage and let's try to buy a home. So that's a good sign for home sellers out there. So maybe some of these homes will start coming off the market. As always, feel free to DM me if you have any questions about any of this. Happy to talk to you. Take it easy.